Today we're going to learn how to make an origami woman, a paper woman. We're going to learn how to fold it. Now, you're going to need square pieces of paper for that. If you don't have any, I'm going to show you quickly how to get some. You can take any paper of any sort, fold it like this, nice and even. The more even you get it, the more square your sheet of paper is going to be. If you're a child and you're having difficulties, get an adult or someone older around you to help, especially for the next part, because you're going to be using scissors, which are sharp and dangerous. So if you're a child, please get an adult to help you right now. Now you're going to take it and you're going to cut along there. You're going to cut that off. When you do, you're going to have a square sheet of paper. Now, any square sheet of paper will work, any size whatsoever. I've got actual origami paper, which has a design on it. I'm going to use that for the outfit part. And then I took the paper, and to get square sheets that are the same size to have it more uniform, more even, I took a sheet of paper, I took my origami paper that has designs on it, and I marked it off, and then I cut. And that gave me blank pieces, so I can use that for the head, and then I can use these for the body part, for the outfit. Now, if you don't have that, and you don't have any colored paper or anything of the sort, you can just use regular printer paper, fold it the way I showed you, and you'll get a bunch of even pieces that are all like this. Instead of having smaller ones, you can make a little bit of a bigger one. And then, whatever, say you have this side colored in, and this side's blank. You're going to want to fold all your stuff with the clothing, fold with the color side down. I'll show you that as I go along. For the head, you're going to fold this. If you got color on one side and say white on the other side, you could take and have a black piece of paper and white or something. Then you could have the colored side up, and that'll be the color of the hair. Okay? And then the blank side underneath will be the face when you're done. So if you want to use a colored sheet of paper to color that, to make it colored for the hair and stuff, you can do that. Put the colored side up, the blank side down. Now, myself, I'm just going to take this right here, and I'm going to take, there we go, a black crayon, just because this is what I have around. You can use anything you want. And I'm just going to color black on one side. I'm just doing this ahead of time because if you do it afterwards, you'll color it and you'll have lines all over it. And what I mean is, if you look at this fox, or koala bear that I folded earlier, you can see how it's got like lines. It wasn't easy to try and color in because it showed up with a bunch of lines and stuff. And that's because of all the fold marks underneath. See the lines here? They correspond with these lines here. And it's because I took it and I colored it like that while it was folded. So I suggest, if you don't want lines to show up, if you have OCD or whatever, color it now, ahead of time, on a flat surface. I'm just doing black so that way my character has black hair. There we go. Now, give me one moment here. I got some crayon here on the desk. There we go. Nice and clean and sanitized. In case you're wondering, I'm just using some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, just to clean the surface. It also takes off anything sticky, and it works really well at cleaning off stuff. 99% isopropyl alcohol. Alright, so we got our one sheet that's colored. We got our other sheets here. Okay, so that's going to be for outfits. Alright, now okay, so now that I got it colored, one side's not, one side is. The side that's not is going to be her face. So we're going to take it, we're going to fold this in half diagonally both ways. Now the reason we're doing this is because we need crease marks. It'll help. It'll help with the with the folding during it. Now unfold it and have it this way, black side up. Now we're going to fold it to make a crease. We're going to fold right down to that center point we made. We made an X in the center. Fold it the point nice and evenly with that. And then we're going to unfold it. Now, we're going to fold this up to that X we just made, because we just made an X here. We're going to fold that up to that one. Nice and evenly. Okay. And now we're going to fold this down just a bit. Just a little bit like that. Okay. Next. So we got like this so far. Okay. Now next, we're going to turn it over. And we're going to fold these to meet at the center. Let me see. Yeah, just like this. Just go right up to that center line. Nice and even. And do the same on the other side. Right up to the center line. Nice and even. Okay. Now, we're going to fold this. Okay. We'll fold this on that line we created, or that we had from earlier. We're going to fold this right to that point. We're going to make that fold mark. Okay? Okay. Now, we're going to fold that down like that, and then we're going to fold this up. Like that. And then we're going to fold this point down. Okay. Now, we're going to turn this over. And now we're going to draw the face on it. So, just so it stays down, I'm just going to tape it. Just makes it stay easier. There. And tape one more piece right here. See? And then I'm going to take this piece. We're going to tape that down. And then I'm going to tape that down. There. Now you got your complete woman. Just darkening up the hair a little bit. There. Now, she needs a face, doesn't she? Well, let's pull out some red. Let's see, is this a good red? Yeah. And I'm just going to make some lips. Not done yet. Okay, now we need a nose. And how about some eyes? She might need some eyes. Yeah, just like that. I think that's good. Just like that. So now we got a woman. Now she needs clothes. She needs a body. Something. So we're going to make an outfit with the colored paper I have. And to do that, I'm going to stick the colored section on the back. And now we're going to fold it in half both ways, this way. And fold it in half. There. Now, flip the colored side over to the back. We're going to fold this to meet the How does it go? I think like this. You're going to want to do it diagonally. Yeah, just like that. And just unfold that out of the way. Oh, actually, maybe not. Yeah, unfold it out of the way. And then we're going to do the same with the other side. Try to make it as even as possible. Okay. Now, I'm going to fold these up. Just to there, roughly. Depending on how your folds are, the thing will turn out a little different, the outfit. Okay. I think that's even. And then I'm going to fold these under. So we're just going to do that underneath. So we're going to unfold that and then fold it, reverse fold it. And there we go. So now they're out of the way. And now okay, so now take this and we're going to fold it backwards. So just like that. You made a crease line in the center earlier, it'll help. Fold it nice and even like that. And look. Now we have her outfit. Ta-da! So just to make it stay, I'm going to tape this. There. Make it stay even more. I'm going to tape it down here and here. Then it's held down nice and flat. And there you go. There we go. And there's your finished guy, man, and woman. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.